to the shop. Limits Edge Machine Works again. I've got a busted oil pan from a bike today. What kind of bike is it from, guys?
It's a 06 ZX10.
Oh, cool. A fast bike.
Yeah.
So, take a look at it here. As you can see, pretty good little spot it's gotten hit, but we're gonna get all that epoxy off and then start cleaning it up, grind it out a little bit and weld on it.
Then there's another one. That crack right there.
Is that a crack or a scratch?
I think that's where the exhaust
Let's flip it.
hit it too.
Dang, it is.
So it's a crack right there.
Well, we'll try and go across that too.
Good eye.
Okay.
Man, as opposed to spending almost 400 bucks on a pan. Sheesh. Man, has it been welded before?
No, I don't think so.
No?
Feel that buildup on it.
Yeah, that's why I was like, what is this buildup? You know, it's like super thicker than the pan.
No, it's from being hit. It's
Oh,
the dent. That's the
knocking
dent.
it up,
Yeah,
huh?
see, it's shoved in a little bit.
So that's what happened trying to throw it off.
I think that is maybe paint or something.
Maybe. It's straight metal, huh?
Mm-hmm.
As long as it's not a crack. That's sweet as hell.
Mm-hmm. It's even thin there. I wonder if we gotta put a little blob on the floor.
Maybe. I'm talking about it's just so low. It's like, why would you?
I don't know what we're burning here. It's like 1/16.
Okay.
Now don't look at anything while I'm welding. Like literally I would close your eyes. A lot of people just look away, but even just looking at a white wall, you'll get the reflection back and forth and it'll still burn your eyes.
Ooh.
And there's no smoke or nothing on TIG, so there's nothing to help knock that arc rate down.
Right.
It's like standing outside in a crystal clear day.
lost that block after that transmission.
Yeah.
To what?
Mack truck.
Mack truck.
Like a whole arm all. Yeah, I think we did all right.
Yeah.
We got the part that was just about blown out, stitched back in there pretty well. The big crack in the middle, stitched back in there. And you can see down in that corner where it was real thin, we've got some penetration. Never mind that little BB. I knocked that BB loose earlier. But that's it. That's how you fix up your busted oil pan. For anybody on YouTube there that wants to know. Pretty gnarly wounds.
Yeah, it's definitely got some bad ones.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope all your projects go out there and get started on, throw some sparks on them, grind that metal off of there, get your stuff going, guys.
Rub it down, tank up.
Yep.